Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be making homemade pizza. We do have homemade dough here as well as homemade sauce. And we are going to be cooking this in our new kitchen appliance, which is the Breville Smart Pro. If you have been following our channel, you will know that we just recently got this, which was replacing a toaster that we had had for 30 years, and we'd never had an air fryer. So after much research, we decided to go with the Breville. We will be testing the pizza cook in this Breville today, and we're going to take you guys along with us. This is the first time that we've cooked pizza in this, and we wanted to show you in case you own a Breville and thinking of doing pizza, or if you're in the market for an air fryer. You will find the recipe to our sauce on our channel, and we'll put the dough right up here. So let's get started. So the Breville has a setting for pizza. It preheated to 375 and it was set for 20 minutes, but a couple seconds, has clicked off. This oven will do so much more than just cook our pizza. I'm going to stick it in here, and it has a place in the back um, for your pizza pan. So that's great. You see the timer quit whenever I open the door. This oven will do so much more than pizza. It is an air fryer. It is a baker. It is a slow cooker. It will dehydrate, which we have dehydrated some herbs that you will see on our channel as well. And it's also a proofer. So this does so much. So let's see how it does with this pizza. Look at that. That's beautiful. Not quite as beautiful as the uni, but I hope it's just as yummy. Look, look, I love my cheese like that. Whew, this baby's got to cool just a little bit. Okay, so she has cooled enough that I'm going to give her a cut. So y'all can see me get on the struggle bus now, okay? I told you it'd be a struggle bus. Look at that. New York pizza. Look at the bottom of it. That is beautiful. And of course, it smells delicious. Mm, that is so good. Good, good, good. If you like this, give us a thumbs up. Hit notifications so you get all of our videos as they post, and subscribe. You'll find recipes to this pizza crust right here. Also, the sauce. You'll also find a video for the uni. Check all of those out. I think you'll love them. Thank you for hanging out with me. And until next time, stir the pot.